Hey everyone, Miss Collins here. Video 2 of this week is on additive angles. That means joining angles as well as finding unknown angles. So I'm going to give you an example of a little bit of each, and then I'm going to set you guys on your own. So joining angles. So this first slide here where we're joining angles. This little sign right here, it looks like a less than sign, is an angle sign. So that's angle, BRT. If I find my B, R is the middle one, T, that's angle BRT, that whole angle right there. If we want to find the measurement of that whole angle, and the information that they give us is inside here. So I'm going to zoom in because these numbers are so small. If I'm looking right here, and it says that this angle, BR in the middle line, middle ray here, from here to here is 19 degrees. And then from this middle ray to RT, ray RT right here is 27 degrees. How am I going to find the angle of B, the whole angle? So basically, you guys, you're adding your two pieces of your angles together, this angle and this angle together to give you the whole angle of BRT. So 19 and 27, and you would put that right here. I'll do one more with you here. Again, this CJ, this is your angle sign, CJK. Your CJK is this angle. That's an obtuse angle. It's open really wide. This little part, CJ, in this ray right here, this makes up 35 degrees of that angle. And then this bigger one, you can see it's, if I look at it, it's over 90 degrees because it's a little open more than an L shape. It's actually 102 degrees. So when I add those two angles together, that's going to give me the total angle of CJK. So when I add these two parts together, I put in my angle for the whole angle CJK right there. So that's joining angles. The other part of this is finding unknown angles. So when you get down to here, where it talks about finding unknown angles, it's the same concept. You have your angle right here, ABC. This looks like a right angle. I know it is because this little box here, when you have a little box like that, that's 90 degrees. So that tells me that angle is exactly 90 degrees. So angle ABC is a right angle, 90 degrees. And then it says find the equation to find x. So this time they're telling me that this big angle is 90 degrees and from here to here is 56 degrees, but now I need to figure out what this angle is from here to here. So if you know the whole, you have the whole, and you're taking one part away, that will give you the other part. So down here, what you're going to be doing is my whole is 90 degrees. So I'm going to be typing 90 degrees here. Then I'm going to take away this part that I know, 56 degrees. So I'm going to take away that 56. And when I get that answer, whatever I get here, I would click, and that's what the degrees, the angle degrees for this X would be. And again, the same over here, the same idea. This one's measuring 90 degrees. They're already telling me that I know this part, 77, so I'm trying to find out the angle of this very small angle right here. So again, you would take 90 degrees. You would take away the part that you know. If I go down here, the equation to find this would be, I know it's a 90-degree angle. I'm going to take away this, 77. Oh, that was 77, which will give me my answer right here. So that is it on joining angles and finding unknown angles. I think it's kind of fun. Angles are fun to me. So I hope you guys have as much fun with it as I do. And if you have any questions, Miss Basil and I can help you on Zoom. See you guys soon.